You too know this. They built $1 billion business on your ignorance. Today that ends. I'm going to show you exactly how hydrogen peroxide destroys blood stains from your mattress in minutes. Not hours, minutes. And the last method I reveal, it will completely change how you think about every stain in your home forever. Stay until the end. Because that final tip is the one they are most desperate to hide from you. You wake up one morning and you see it, a blood stain on your mattress. Maybe it happened at night, maybe a small cut, maybe a nosebleed. Does not matter how it happened. What matters is what happens next. You panic, you grab a wet cloth and start rubbing. And what happens? The stain spreads, it gets bigger, it goes deeper into the fabric. Now you have made it worse. So you go online and you search for solutions. And what do you find? A long list of professional mattress cleaning services. They charge you anywhere from $150 to $400 just to clean one mattress. $400 for one stain on one mattress. And they act like that is normal. They act like you're supposed to just accept that. But think about it. You already paid $800 on $1,000, maybe $1,500 for that mattress. Now they want another $400 to clean it? That is the game they are playing with you. And millions of people pay it every single year without questioning it, because nobody told them the truth. You try the home remedies next: cold water, salt, dish soap, baking soda paste. You follow every tutorial. You spend 2 hours on your knees scrubbing, and the stain? Still there. Faded maybe, but still there, mocking you. And slowly you start thinking, maybe I just need to flip the mattress. Maybe I just need to buy a mattress cover. Maybe I just need to replace the whole thing. A new mattress costs $600 minimum. People throw away perfectly good mattresses every single day because of stains that could have been removed in 5 minutes. That money, that waste, that frustration, it was completely unnecessary. And the worst part? The solution existed all along. Back in 1947, a team of industrial chemists working for a major textile manufacturing corporation discovered something remarkable. They found that hydrogen peroxide at a 3% concentration, the exact concentration sold in every pharmacy for under $2, had an extraordinary ability to break down heme. Heme is the iron-containing compound in blood that causes stains to bond with fabric fibers at a molecular level. This discovery was documented in internal research papers that were never published publicly. Why? Because at that exact same moment, the professional upholstery and mattress cleaning industry was beginning to organize itself into a very profitable business model. Companies like National Chem Dry and ServiceMaster were building franchises worth millions. They needed customers to believe that blood stains required professional-grade chemicals and professional expertise. If the public knew that a $2 bottle from the pharmacy did the same job, their entire business model collapsed overnight. So the research was buried. The chemists were moved to other projects. And for decades, the information stayed hidden inside corporate filing cabinets, while ordinary people spent billions on professional cleaning services they never needed. What I am about to show you is what those chemists discovered in 1947. This was never supposed to reach you. They spent millions keeping this quiet across television advertising, paid partnerships with home improvement magazines, and aggressive lobbying to keep hydrogen peroxide labeled only as a wound disinfectant in consumer marketing. Only 1% of people ever figure this out on their own. You are about to become one of them. Here is exactly what you need. One small bottle of 3% hydrogen peroxide. You can get it at any pharmacy or grocery store. It costs between $1.50 and $2.50. That is it, nothing else. No special equipment, no professional training, no expensive machines, just that one little brown bottle. Now here is the first method, and it works on fresh stains within the first hour. You pour the hydrogen peroxide directly onto the stain. Do not dilute it. Do not mix it with anything yet. Just pour it straight on. You will see something happen immediately. The peroxide begins to fizz. That fizzing is not a malfunction. That fizzing is the chemical reaction breaking apart the heme molecules in the blood. It is literally dissolving the bond between the stain and your mattress fibers at a molecular level. You let it fizz for 60 seconds. Then you take a clean white cloth. It must be white so you can see the stain transferring. And you blot. Never rub. Blotting lifts the stain up and out. Rubbing pushes it deeper in. After blotting, you will see the stain on the cloth. Keep using clean sections of the cloth as you blot. Repeat the pour and blot 2 or 3 times. Then take a slightly damp cloth with plain cold water and blot the area one final time to rinse out any remaining peroxide. Then let the mattress air dry completely before putting sheets back on. For a stain that is a few hours. You use the same process, but you let the peroxide sit for 90 seconds instead of 60 before blotting. The reaction needs a little more time to work through the dried outer layer of the stain. For stains that are 1 to 2 days old, you add one small step. You mix 1 tablespoon of hydrogen peroxide with half a teaspoon of dish soap and half a teaspoon of table salt into a paste. You apply that paste directly onto the stain. You let it sit for 5 minutes, then you blot it away with a clean, damp cloth. The salt acts as a gentle abrasive that helps lift the loosened stain particles, while the dish soap helps carry them away from the fabric fibers. This combination works on stains that no regular cleaning product has been able to touch. Now here is where it gets even more powerful. Old stains. Stains that have been on your mattress for weeks, months, maybe even longer. You thought those were permanent. You thought you were stuck with them. You are not. For old set-in blood stains, you need to rehydrate the stain first before the peroxide can work effectively. Take a clean cloth dampened with cold water, always cold, never warm or hot, because heat permanently sets blood stains deeper into fibers, and gently press it onto the stain for about 30 seconds, just enough to slightly rehydrate the dried blood. Then immediately apply your hydrogen peroxide directly on top. The combination of slight moisture and fresh peroxide creates a more aggressive reaction that can penetrate even deeply set stains. Let it fizz for 2 full minutes this time. Then apply the paste mixture from the previous method over the top, salt, dish soap, and a little more peroxide mixed into a thick paste. Cover the entire stained area, let that sit for 10 to 15 minutes, come back and blot it away completely. You may need to repeat this full process 2 or 3 times for very old stains, but they will come out. They will not be permanent anymore. People have removed stains that were 6 months old using exactly this method. Mattresses that were days away from being thrown in the trash, saved completely. And the total cost of every single product used in this entire process, under $3. There's one more version of this that is the most powerful of all, and this is the one that professional cleaners use themselves, behind closed doors, when they want fast results before a client inspection. They would never tell you this because if you knew it, you would never hire them again. You mix together in a small bowl 2 tablespoons of hydrogen peroxide, 1 tablespoon of dish soap, and 2 tablespoons of baking soda. Mix it gently until it forms a slightly foamy paste. Apply it generously to the entire stained area, then cover it with a clean dry cloth and press down firmly for about 30 seconds to work the mixture into the fibers. Then leave it uncovered and let it sit for 20 minutes. As it dries, it will draw the stain upward out of the mattress fibers. After 20 minutes, use a stiff but gentle brush, an old toothbrush works perfectly, to loosen the dried paste and the stain particles trapped inside it. Then vacuum the entire area. Follow with a final cold water blot to remove any residue. What you will find underneath will shock you. A completely clean mattress surface, no trace of the stain, no discoloration, no damage to the fabric. Just clean. This 3-ingredient combination is what the cleaning industry charges $200 to $400 to replicate using professional equipment and branded chemical solutions that contain, at their core, these exact same ingredients at higher price points and fancier bottles. If this opened your eyes today, then you know what to do. Hit that like button right now. Not for me. Do it because this information deserves to spread. Do it because every person who sees this video is one more person who never wastes money on a professional mattress cleaner again. Subscribe, because what I am sharing next week is going to make today look small. Next video, I am exposing the $400 carpet cleaning secret that the carpet industry has hidden since the 1960s. A single common kitchen ingredient, that carpet cleaning, franchises have spent decades making sure you never discover. You will not want to miss that. And before you go, here's the final shocking tip I promised you. Hydrogen peroxide does not just work on blood. It removes sweat stains, urine stains, and wine stains from mattresses using the exact same method. In 1 bottle, every stain, gone. You're not powerless against these industries anymore. You have the knowledge now. Use it. Share it with someone who needs it today. Because the only thing that keeps these secrets alive is silence, and you just broke it.